Hello guys, in this video I will show us through the how to calculate pips for gold, JPY pairs and non-JPY pairs. So guys, let's dive into the chart.
Okay, now we are into the chart. Let's discuss this in practical, right? We said that the non-JPY pair, the pip calculations are done to the fourth decimal place, right? So now let's look at the chart here. Let's try this red figure here, right? The value here is 0.65485. So now if we are going to calculate the pip for this, the pip calculation will start from the fourth decimal place, which is this 8, right? The 8 here is the fourth decimal place. The pip calculation will start from it. So now let's dive into the calculation. Now let me bring my calculator up here, right? Good. Now let's say I want to calculate the pip value for this trade. Let's say my entry position is here, right? Then my exit position, let's say, is just right here, right? And my take profit is right here, right? Let's see, this is how it is. So I want to know the pips. How many pips is this trade now? So now I make the entry, I give it a yellow color, right? So when we come to the price value here, we see the yellow color here. The yellow color we see here is our entry value. So now we are just going to put the entry value to the fourth decimal place, and anything after the fourth decimal place is going to be point, right? So now this is how we do it. We have 06523.7, 06523, right? Which is the fourth, 3 is the fourth decimal number, right? Then after the 3 we have 0.7 because we've reached the fourth decimal place, minus the stop loss value is 06538.4 and minus 06538.4. And what do we have? We have 14.7. Is that what we have here? Good. Can you see our stop loss? 14.7. Now if you are using the position tool in your trading view, you are not going to see without necessarily calculating it from here. But if you are trying to place a trade from MetaTrader, exactly, you have to go through the process of calculation. It is very, very, very important, right? From your MetaTrader. Now good, let's move on. Now I want to calculate for the take profit, right? For the take profit we have 06523.2, 06523.2 minus 06490.3, 06490.3. Calculate. We have 32.9. How many pips do we have here? We have 32.4. A little figure is missing, but we are still there, right? We're still around that value, right? So now guys, this is how it is. This is how you calculate it. For all non-JPY pairs, you just calculate it to the fourth decimal place, guys. And if you calculate it to the fourth decimal place, you always get your pips value right. So let's jump to the JPY. Okay guys, let's make this quick and simple. This is for the JPY pair pip calculation. So now for the JPY pair pip calculation, all you have to do is this. Let's say we enter our trade right at this spot, right? This is our entry price, this is our entry point. Then this is where we put our stop loss. Then let's say our take profit is right here, and we want to know the value for our pips, right? Good. You want to know the value for your stop loss. How many pips is there? Let's say you don't know it. So the yellow mark here, that is the point of entry, right? So we come, what is my value here? We have 94.319, right? That's the value here on the chart. But as we all know, when we are calculating pip, we are going straight to the decimal place, right? So now for JPY pairs, we are talking about 2 decimal place to calculate the pip. So now we are going to start that, right? Now the second decimal place is this one, right? From our entry value, this yellow spot. We have 94.3 is the first decimal place, 1 is the second decimal place, and 9 is the third decimal place. But we are dealing with the second decimal place, so 1 is where this one here is where we start our pip calculation. So now let's get right into it. So now, to know the value of pips here, right, you are going to start the calculation right from here to the second decimal place. You have 9, 4, 3, 1. Then any value after the second decimal place is point then 9 minus the stop loss value here is 9459.8. 9459.8, which is after the second decimal place, right? Now what is the value there? It's 27.9. Click here and see what is there. 27.9, right? Then for the next value, for this one, we have 9431.9 again. 9431.9 minus 9379.2. 9379.2, right? What is the value? 52.7. What do we have here? 52.7. So guys, it is just to the second decimal place. You pick the value right from where it starts to the second decimal place, and when you do the plus and minus, you are going to get your number of pips, either as stop loss or as take profit. Guys, it is that simple. Yes, I don't want you to have this challenge of calculating pips, so let's get right into it. Let's go to calculating pips for gold right now. Okay, here are we again on the gold pair, right? So to calculate a pip for gold, we say that to calculate a pip for gold, you go right to the first decimal place, right? Now let's say this is our entry value, this guy right here, right? This is our entry value. Our entry value here, as we all know, is on this yellow bar. I make it, the entry point should be this yellow bar, right? So now what is the yellow saying? We have 1918, right? 1918.386, but we are taking our pip calculation from the first decimal place, right? So it's going to be 19183 because 3 is the first decimal place. Then any value after that 3, you put 0.86, I think is what we have there. Then minus, what do we have as the stop loss? 1920. 1920 for 190. Oh my goodness, this is obstructing our video. This is really annoying. Okay, let's go. Minus 1936.70. What do we have, guys? We have 47.16 pips, right? 47.16. But look at what the long position tool is giving us. Give us 471.6, right? Good. That means you just have to divide this value by 10 and you're going to get your pip calculation for gold, right? I hope this is very clear and simple. So guys, keep practicing, learn it well, and let me hear your comment in the comment box. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.